Hello, I'm going to show you how to change LinkedIn job location preference. First of all, click on Me in the top right corner of your homepage. Then click Settings and Privacy. Then click Data Privacy. Under Data Privacy, select Job Seeking Preferences. Under Job Seeking Preferences, you will be able to edit your job application settings, sharing your profile after clicking Apply, commute preferences, and more. To begin changing your settings, click Job Application Settings. Here you will be able to save and manage your resume and answers, manage your resumes, and save self-ID information. To delete or download a resume saved, click the three small dots next to your resume document. Click Delete or Download. You can also upload a resume here so it's handy for future jobs you apply to. Click Back to return back to the job settings page. The next setting allows you to choose whether or not you share your profile with the job poster when you apply to a job. Click the white circle to toggle yes or no. You can also set your commute preferences to get the job recommendations based off how far you're willing to travel. The commute preferences page allows you to set how far you want to travel based on where you live, how you commute time, and when you start. Fill this page out if important to you. Click back to return to your settings. Signal to recruiters at companies that you've created job alerts for that you're interested in working for them.